Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang ang MystiQueen PH online shop. Meron tayong mga power bracelets for protection, prosperity, at marami pang iba. And then, meron din tayong mga zodiac sign bracelets na nag-a-align ng energies for each zodiac signs. And then, we also have intention oils na merong tatlong sizes. Meron tayong 5 ml, and then merong 15 ml dropper, and then 30 ml dropper, intention oil. And then we also have a spell jar for protection and prosperity. And then the latest addition sa ating mga products ay ang cleansing and protection spray. So available siya in 50 ml and 100 ml bottle. Ayan, so available yan lahat sa ating Shopee, link on the description. Gemini, hi, welcome to MystiQueen PH. At ito ang yung weekly reading for October 16 to 22, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. So, ito yung Gemini bracelet. Meron tong sodalite, blue lace agate, and Amazonite. So, this is available sa Shopee. Link on the description. Okay, so let's see, Gemini, ano yung overall energy ninyo for this week. Okay. You have the Wheel of Fortune. So, this is destiny. I feel like you are more energetic pagdating sa gusto mong ma-achieve. You are moving towards your goals, your dreams. Kung merong mga nadidelay in the past, especially in your finances. So, ngayong week na to, mag-move forward na yan. Okay? So, kung meron kayong mga hinihintay na kaperahan ngayong week na to, mauusad na siya. Meron ka ng balita tungkol doon, may update na. So, let's see your challenge. Your challenge is the King of Wands. It seems na I'm sensing limitations for some of you. Maaring you are limiting yourself sa mga bagay na pwede mo pang ma-experience, magawa, related to your passion or the things that you really want to do, no? So, yung iba nawawala ng motivation kapag hindi sumasang-ayon sa gusto nyo yung resulta ng mga sinimulan ninyo. So, kailangan always motivate yourself. Okay? Let's see your opportunities. Ano yung opportunity for you? The World card. So, this is completion. This is achievement. So, meron kang opportunity to complete something, to achieve something this week. So, this can be your project, your career, para ma-ready mo yung sarili mo for a new phase, no? So, a new chapter of your life. Some of you meron ding opportunity to travel abroad, to work abroad. Yan, may mga rewards. Let's see your blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Gemini? Ooh, the devil. So, it seems na you will have more confidence sa sarili mo about how you carry yourself. No? Maari kasing yung iba sa inyo medyo low self-esteem, but with the devil card, it's like you are focused on ano yung resulta na gusto mong mangyari. Okay? There's some sort of obsession, but I think yung obsession na yun is like a blessing sa inyo eh. Sabi nga, 'di ba? For you to be very successful in the path na gusto mong tahakin, you have to be obsessed about it, no? Sa obsessed ka sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa business mo, in a good way, no? So, kasi blessing siya sa inyo eh. So, let's clarify. What is the Wheel of Fortune? You have the Knight of Cups. So, some of you, maaring merong offer na matatanggap, no, from someone. And itong offer na to is something that you will like, magugustuhan mo. May proposal. Pwede itong proposal sa trabaho, proposal sa business, proposal sa isang project. Some of you naman, this can be a romantic proposal if you are connecting with someone right now na you feel na parang walang pinatutunguhan yung relationship ninyo. But this week, it seems na merong something's going to change, no? Oo. Kumbaga, there's a form of communication or understanding between the two of you. Let's see the challenge. What is the King of Wands? You have the Hierophant. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, when it comes to commitment, ito yung isa sa challenge ninyo na hindi nagiging madali sa inyo na mag-commit sa isang bagay na gusto nyo. So, kailangan, yun nga, you need to motivate yourself about the result, no? Parang keep your eye on the prize. Yun yung motivation mo. Ano yung resulta ng mga gagawin mo, yung mga bagay na bibigyan mo ng action. Is this going to improve your situation, your career, your business, no? So, whatever works for you. And then, let's see, what is the World card? Two of Cups. So, there's an opportunity for you for love, no? This can also mean partnership, working with others. Yung iba naman, pwedeng may opportunity to finally meet the person that you've been connecting with, no? If you're connecting with someone na malayo sa'yo, nasa abroad, long distance yung relationship ninyo, I'm seeing a connection. Parang meeting, no? So, you will be meeting someone na you've been connecting with for a long time. And some of you naman pwede itong business partnerships sa ibang bansa or merong contract na you will be signing na connected sa ibang bansa. The Star. Ooh. The Devil and the Star, parang walang makakapigil sa'yo na ma-achieve mo yung goals mo eh. Ang pipigil na lang yan, sarili mo. So, it's about how you are going to work towards your goals and dreams. Like what I mentioned kanina, you have to be obsessed about something to be really, really successful, no? And I think you are going to be more committed doon sa gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay. The Star is about your hopes, your dreams, ano yung gusto mong ma-fulfill. And this is also about healing. So, maaring meron ka ring mga i-heal na unhealthy habits. Kasi the Devil card is also about unhealthy habits na alam mong hindi aligned para sa gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay, no? So you might be releasing that or healing from unhealthy habits na alam mong hindi nakakatulong sa pag-unlad mo or sa paglago mo. Okay? So let us see ano yung final message for you, Gemini. Speak your truth. Have strength, faith, and conviction in your voice. It has never been more needed. Being true to yourself, being honest. Isa yan sa magbibigay sa'yo or magdadala sa'yo sa tagumpay. Being more authentic, speaking your truth, voicing out what you really feel and what you really think. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.